Okay, this is the Sony PSP Slim versus Old audio test. Is it louder or not? Well, judge for yourself. Now, if you ask me, the old one is louder. Not much, but a little. Now, the difference is of course, when you turn it around and you're in a train, for instance. So, I'm gonna put this one up a stand so the audio does come out. Size. I'm gonna turn the audio on. Now, since the speakers are on the front side, it's not as loud from this side as it would be from this side. So, I think people in trains would be happy. Not much, but a little more happier. As compared to the old one, where the sound just stays the same. No change. And there is no difference on the old one. So this concludes the audio test.